Get your pen and paper to write down these 5 easy steps I'm going to reveal to you in today's video on how to write a winning personal statement to gain that scholarships and also to gain admissions into any universities overseas. I've personally used these steps and they have worked for me, and I'm sure it will work for you. Hello, the great to you. Welcome to how to write a winning personal statement for that scholarships and even admissions abroad. So today I'm going to give you top tips for scholarships and admissions abroad and how to write this. So stay tuned. I'm sure you're going to learn one or two things. Welcome back once again. Today we are tackling one of the most crucial parts of your scholarship and university application, which is the personal statement. This document can make or mar your chances of getting that scholarship. So you need to stick around as I share the ultimate guide to writing a personal statement that stands you out. So whether you are applying for scholarships or admissions to schools abroad, these tips will help you create a personal statement that get you noticed. And we are going to dive into it. So let's go. First of all is to understand the purpose of a personal statement. What is it about? What exactly is personal statement? It is that opportunity that you need to showcase who you are beyond grades and test scores. Of course, they've seen your certificate, so can you prove yourself more about beyond your grades or beyond your test scores? So that's what it means. So it's where you connect your experience, goals, and motivations with what the school or scholarship committee is looking for. Then they want to know why you are the perfect fit and how you can contribute to their institutions or to their platform. So that is the purpose of personal statements. So since you know the purpose now, then the next thing is to know how to tailor and research your personal statement. First of all is to research. Research is everything. You can't start writing a personal statement without doing some research. And what is this research about? You don't just do random research. You do research to understand the values, mission, and expectations of the institution or scholarship board you are applying to. That is the meaning of research in this context. Then, after doing enough of your research, enough background works, you then tailor your personal statement to reflect the values of that institution using some specific examples from the programs or institutions that resonate with your personal goals and experience. After knowing this, the second step is to craft a strong opening. This is extremely important. It's crucial. That's the step 2. You need to start your personal statement with a bang. Your opening statement is essential, is crucial, it should grab attention, which helps to set the tone for the rest of your statement. Please try to avoid using some cliches. Begin with a compelling story or a unique fact or even a bold statement that hooks somebody in to want to hear more, to want to learn more about your experience. For example, you could say, first time I heard a Scrabble, I realized that the machine wasn't just a career choice, it was my calling. That sparks curiosity. So you could consider stories or beginning it with statements of this kind. After fulfilling your step 2, you then go to step 3, which is to showcase your unique qualities and experience. Then highlight what makes you unique. This is your chance to share your story, the experiences you have that shaped you, the challenges you've overcome, and the qualities that set you apart. You can also focus on specific examples. Did you lead any successful project or in the past, or have you overcome a significant obstacle that is worth sharing, or even participate in a meaningful volunteer work? All these things need to be weaved in within your qualities and experience, and that is what sets you apart. You can get this fact from eligibility criteria of that scholarship if you're applying for scholarship, or eligibility criteria of that university, what they need for that particular course. You can see it on their website. So the picture by my right here gives you a screenshot of where you can find this information to use it to weave these all important qualities and experiences of yours.
Have you heard of HAP? I'm sure you are not. It is a trusted study abroad admissions platform designed specifically to help international students like you match them with Canadian coaches and lawyers who is going to help them one-on-one in their journey of studying in Canada. These coaches are experts in their field, and they also have lived experience to share with you. They understand your ambitions, they understand your visa hustles, and they also help you to gain your visa as a go. They can also help you to signpost you to schools and courses that suit your ambitions and career goals. What you need to do now is to rush now to HAP platform and sign up using our VIP link, as we are partnering with them to get these premium services free of charge. They get busy very fast, so you need to sign up as soon as possible and also get your details and your profile verified immediately with your transcript and your passports. Once that is done, you get matched with a coach who is going to work with you one-on-one to gaining your admissions and to gaining your visas into studying in Canada and fulfill your educational dreams. I hope that helps. So please rush now. Look at our link below, our VIP link, and sign up now. We are here to help you.
Then the next one is step 4. So you need to connect your goals with the institution's values. First of all, you could see the diagram by my right here. It's an alignment of your personal goals with institutions' values and programs. So they need to interwoven. For example, by the left here, there is a personal goals, and then alignment, that's a strong fit. Why these two needs to come together, a hook with the institutional values and programs. So you can clearly articulate how your goals align with the institutional's values and programs, and why do you want to study there? How would their program help you achieve your aspirations? If you remember, I have made a separate video on this particular topic, why that university. You can check that up on our channel here, how you could structure this. So that is when you're going for an interview, and you can also even weave that in when you're writing. It's not only when you're going for a visa interview that you can use that. So check that up as a help to help you craft this particular you connecting your goals with the institution's values. Then you need to proofread and get feedback. That's the step 5. Proofread, edit, and get feedback. Even the best personal statements can be derailed by typos, awkward phrasing, or even unclear thought. So take the time to proofread carefully. Get feedback from someone you trust, and a teacher. It could be a teacher, it could be a mentor or a friend. Just a fresh pair of eyes on this can help to spot out mistakes and offer some valuable insights.
And there you have it, your ultimate guide to writing a winning personal statement. If you found this video helpful, please do to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do not forget that I'm rooting for you, and do not stop rooting for yourself. I'm going to be giving you a lot more content on this to help you navigate your desire to studying abroad and having a fulfilling career. See you at the top, because that's where I belong. Be great to you.